is from everywhere, and this is one of it. One good thing is it is coming from L&T's knowledge. It is coming from L&T's experience. So we are sure it will be the best knowledge as far as industry is concerned. These are not academic courses. These are industry courses. So whatever you have learned here, if somebody has to practice, somebody will teach you in this particular process. So make use of it and let us ensure whoever goes for NTI. I know a lot of your alumni, at least hundreds of people who are shining in multiple fields across the globe. I wish this entire batch going out of this continue to grow in this in your careers and do good.